Overwood and I eat me overwood when me I take from me at 17.
Hey, hey.
Welcome back, all of my viewers and all of my subscribers. We hope you have a blessed day today, you know this time. So, naturally, before we jump in, I'm going to ask you to subscribe if you're new, is it? So, it kind of seems as if the girls and ladies right now have a look up intense facade clash. Go on, is me, so I'm not sure if it's like more of an forward them a look as me for the people them blackboard them and thing, but the whole topic and everything it just look just something new, you see me, cause I hear be a different new shit, you see me, like Lisa hype now, you see me.
Self. Me no need to chase what's already mine, my friend. When I stop going like say me is a yammed, my friend. Me a bad girl in a real life, my friend. I'm there for come out talk to the people them see. Me there for come out come talk to the people them see. Say me overwood and I eat me overwood when me I take from me at 17. Una cuss me about a wood when me I take from me at 17, my friend. Me want a new wood now. Me would be fool for 8 for that wood there. Me experiment on that wood there. The fuck when me again my man right now, I see him on me whole that experiment the pan. My bad no blood clot. That's why I rate him, can teach me everything I know. Uno no need to eat me. Uno not eat me. Cause me not eat to know. Uno eat me for your wood when me been there done that weed. Me not have to kill up myself. Me I ride the wood from it broke till it rich. Me I ride the wood from it broke and now it rich. So me not have to.
So Lisa I come out and speak out a lot, to be honest, you see me peeps, cause as she say, you know, you see me, she say shit, I mean I know if I cuss them a cuss over the dog is thing, you see me, that Gaza boss, you see me. But I think them for know say them that they kill up themselves and the man all have some other girl on the side. They know them way they, but it look like say at least a hype on the dog baby mother they in a things, you see me. That a Shorty, you see me. I don't know. It's like the other day, you know, our birthday and Beanie Man woman birthday the same day and we see post make with Beanie Man sharing girl and thing and Cartel not really did that do that. You see me, but Shorty we don't find, we don't see, we don't know how Shorty and she would have in a something right now. You see me, cause that girl she just mostly post picture and things. You see me, I hardly hear nothing from she. You see me if you check your level. But you have a girl named Jodi Couture or what she want, you see me. Last time I check her, she and Lisa I put in her things, but who are the Gaza Queen Emperor or something like that. You see me, that girl, you see me. But I tell no lie, that be a kind of look good, you see it. But I don't know her have no big song, you see me. I don't know her from the song. Probably Cartel feature and shit. You see me, make she get involved and in the picture. You see me. Yeah man, but I did think she and her in a big cussing and on bag or something. For what? I don't know, I don't see them have no big song or I do not know if represent this thing the realest way though. Me all of your meds and I wonder Lisa if how much dog. You see me car. Yo, although she still a do her thing still, you know. Cause how long she is and still come back and do her thing. Enough girls me not seen in the spotlight see me. Even though she a get a look, you know, shine off of the Gaza. But differently now, oh me afraid of the Lord the Shorty in here, see, because I'm gonna see she trouble people, you see me. Yeah. Anyways, but the business boy wanna have in that the day still in here, see me. If you know stab up for yourself and fling shades of phone up blood clot business that is with me. Yeah, so people like, subscribe and share if you make it this far in the videos with me. I the trendy dancehall and every day we active. You better believe that. Is it? Well, me is a man still, you know, me not really follow up on one thing, you know, people. Them contradictory, you know. Alright, watch out. Listen to this,
my boss was using her to prove a point. Same can turn somebody we are not star in a star. And even though she maybe never write the song them, I think she delivered them well. You understand? I think she delivered them well. So she can grow. She can grow. The more she writes, the more her writing skills will get. The more she writes, the more her writing skills will become better. So she have potential. But I'm not a hater. I'm not a hater. That's not me.
So who she a talk about other girl right here, so what me she wanna say, yo, she and I already not beef at first, you see me? So we don't know what go on, cause we know life and human being them come to senses when them go around one part and a meds. You see me? But she'd have some good things to say a while ago, no jokes. You see me? And the same thing on me did I say, watch it. I say, I don't know that girl has no artist or whatsoever. So she come out and I say, yo, she and a writer, but Cartel just prove it as a point so can turn somebody who is not a star in a star. You get my people, so I kinda understand. You see me? I'm mad thing still them a make it think clear right now, you see me? I just did know so that girl they are no musical nothing. From a see her, just the image she have. You see me that a Jodi Couture, is it? But she make it straight. Right now Lisa come out and tell the people them straight up. You see me? So now I know that in the head box, you see me? So we'll see if she can shine and work on her vocal and shit, cause she deliver good as what she say, you see me? Yeah. Okay, so watch a prayer now, peeps. You see if you do make it to the end of the video, give yourself a round of applause. You see me? Oh, I make video quite often, you see me? I want to run up my subscribers, you see it? And for example, as you can see, we're accurate as one can see. You see me? So subscribe.